Do you want to learn Excel but feel it may be overwhelming? Are you studying business, accounting or finance? Are you in upper management and know you need to improve your skill set? Do you hear about all the amazing things Excel does but have no idea how to do them? If you answered yes to any of the above, look no further. This is the course for you. Welcome to the course, the complete Microsoft Excel class for beginners. My name is Chris Benjamin and I'll be your instructor in this course. I'm a professional accounting and finance expert. I currently work as a Chief Financial Officer, or CFO, and as well I've been an online instructor since 2013. Why you should take this course. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool when you know how to properly use it. For first-time users and beginners, it can be overwhelming, all of the available features and possibilities. By taking this course, you will go from a rookie to pro, or close to it, user in Excel. Become a Microsoft Excel power user in no time with this course. In this course we will cover all of the basic features of Excel. By demonstrating multiple possible uses for Excel and how to use the primary abilities, you will immediately increase your productivity. What we do in the course: learn basic Excel functionality for beginners. Learn the formatting tools. Learn how to create nice-looking charts. Learn how to write formulas. Learn how to quickly create lists. Learn multiple possible options to use Excel to make your life simpler. And much more. We'll be covering other tools and formulas in Excel that are very useful. If at any point during the course if you are confused or need clarification, send me a message. I'm here to help you, the student, and I love interacting with you. I've been in the business world for over 20 years, and can most likely answer your question. You've come to the right place to learn. I'm excited to start this journey with you. I look forward to seeing you in class. Be sure to sign up today.